Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Binance Smart Chain to Metamask. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Metamask application. Now whether you launch your Metamask app and create your account on it or import your account, by default it is set on Ethereum main network because Metamask is most compatible with Ethereum main network, but that doesn't mean that you cannot add Binance Smart Chain into it. Of course you can add it. So in order to add it, you need to tap on the drop arrow button in the top, and if your account is fresh, you won't be able to see the BNB smart chain on the home page by default. So in order to add it, you just have to tap on the add a network in the option. Then you will be landed on the page where you will be able to see some of the popular networks, and among these you will be able to see BNB. So you need to tap on the add button right next to it, just like so, and then you just have to simply follow further instructions in order to successfully add your BNB smart chain network. Now in order to switch to it, you just have to tap on the top arrow button in the top and select BNB chain, and this way you will be able to connect BNB chain to MetaMask. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.